Good morning. Today we're going to talk about how to do the NC test tutorial. You're going to come down here on your Chromebooks, click the NC test icon. From here, you will go ahead and select NC test tutorial. Where it says name of test, select EOC, High School, English 2, Math 1, Math 3, and Biology tutorial. You will only have to do this once, even if you are taking more than one of these EOCs at a time. So next, you will click Login. You will click Start. Hit OK. And then you will go through and answer each of these questions. I'm just going to hit Next through them all, but you do need to answer them. Okay, your answers will be here. We want to make sure you are doing this correctly. You will then hit Next. Okay, so hit Continue. And this is where you can use or figure out how to use your calculator. So you will click on this calculator. It will bring up Desmos in this window. This is a good time to play around with this for a little bit and make sure you know how to use it. Okay, the wrench still up here still gives you everything you need, but notice the default for this Desmos is in degrees. So if you need to, during your test, make sure you switch to radians if necessary. Then you can play. All of your functions are still here. Your stats that we've talked about. Remember, STDEVP is what you want for standard deviation. Your histogram, your dot plots, all of that. And of course your miscellaneous, where we have logs and log base. That's what this little log base A is. That gives me the opportunity to change the base. Once you are done playing around with that, you can just keep hitting Next down at the bottom. And then hit End Test. You will click End Test. This is where I need to see. I need you to screenshot this and send it to me. Any questions, please let me know. Thanks.